In this video, we'll discover how to harden your SFTP servers with Shepherd. SSH file transfer protocol is used by many organizations to transfer and manage files over a network. Depending on the use case, these files might include financial documents, credit card data, patient records, social security numbers, email addresses, and source code. As a result, hackers see these servers as potential gold mines. The hacker strategy is discovery, i.e. find the servers and then figure out how to penetrate them. SFTP servers require an open port, typically port 22. Hackers might scan for the servers looking for the open port, or search for them using websites such as Shodan and Census, or look for subdomains with SFTP or related common names indicating it is for file transfers. Once the hacker finds the SFTP server, he has lots of strategies he can implement, including brute force attacks, look for vulnerabilities CVEs, credential stuffing from stolen keys, DNS spoofing, and phishing emails to obtain credentials. With Shepherd, the SFTP port is closed so that there is nothing for the hacker to discover. Yet you are still able to use your SFTP server as normal. Let me show you a demo. On the right side, I've set up the SFTP server on a Linux VM in Azure, installed the Shepherd agent, and closed the port, in this case port 22. In the Shepherd Administrator console, the Ubuntu host has been registered, and I gave the user permission to access the host to run the SFTP tunnel. Finally, with the Windows 10 VM, I installed the Shepherd Control app, logged in as the user, and then installed FileZilla and WinSCP. Here I'm showing you the Azure networking blade where port 22 is set to deny so that it cannot be discovered by hackers in their scans. Here I've done a ZenMap scan of all 65,000 ports, and you can see that it found no open ports because they are all closed. I've already set up the Shepherd tunnel to connect to the SFTP server. I'll connect now. From a Windows command prompt, I'll run the SFTP string to connect to the server over localhost. You'll see that I've defined the localhost port number, in this case 9999. I set that in the Shepherd console app. You can configure it to whatever port number you'd like. Now I'm in and can run all the SFTP commands. I'll copy a text file from my local machine to the server. I'll confirm that the file has been copied. Next, I'll connect with FileZilla and copy a file over. And finally, we'll do the same with WinSCP. So there's the copy with WinSCP as well. In summary, we learned how Shepherd can be used to harden your SFTP servers and keep them invisible from hackers. For more information, or if you have other servers you'd like to secure, please reach out to us at www.fullarmor.com.